Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are en route today. I probably shouldn't even be filming this while I'm driving. But we're doing something different. We're doing something we haven't done in a while. We're actually headed down to Oklahoma City to meet up with a good friend of mine. We're also going to take a look at the new headquarters of AAR, Auto Action Rebuilds. Yeah, Randy built him a house. So we're going to take a look at the house. We're going to go do a Copart Walk Around or two, and I guarantee you, we're going to have some fun. Guaranteed. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, we have arrived, and Randy has found the car of his dreams. We're out here doing some videos because we love doing these videos together. And Randy found...
Stealing parts.
He's not stealing parts. He found a car that was... This was your mom's first new car?
Yeah, my mom and dad's first new car.
And this is a... What is this?
It's a Chevy Celebrity.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what, I'll bet it doesn't even tell you that it's a Celebrity anywhere on.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. You have to know this car
Wow.
to know what this is.
And you had a special thing that happened with this car, right? Can we
Yeah.
talk about that or no?
I mean, I'm really traumatized by it, but
This could...
yeah,
this,
I guess I'll go ahead.
This is the start of your whole car infatuation. You ever thought about that?
I don't know. Yeah, so my mom was driving, I was in the back seat, my dad was in the passenger seat. It was a dark and stormy night. The pirates were camping around the campfire. Okay, the rest of it's true. It really was a very dark and stormy night. A tree had fallen in the middle of the road. My mom slammed on the brakes, and the guy behind us crashed into us pretty hard. And he came up. I'll reenact it, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Now,
Here we
picture
go.
me covered in blood.
Yes.
Because I went through the windshield of the car behind us, right?
Okay.
So I'm the driver. He's covered in blood. His head had gone through the windshield, and he's stumbling. And I'm sitting right here, and I see this guy. It's raining. He's all wet, and he's got blood just pouring and dripping off of his face. And he comes over to Mom's like, "Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry." And my dad's sitting there like, and I'm sitting there.
And the Oscar goes to...
I don't remember anything after that.
Wow.
I don't remember. I think we drove the car home. I think.
Yeah.
But I do remember. It's crazy. I don't remember anything after that, other than the car got totaled eventually for a bent rear axle.
Wow.
I remember that.
Yeah.
And it was brown. Dookie Brown.
Dookie Brown.
Dookie Brown.
Yeah.
And I saw this car. Nobody's gonna buy this. Nobody will buy this.
You
car.
ran right to this car.
This isn't what I'm
This
looking
is-
at. This is not even what I'm
No.
looking. I'm looking at the one behind you.
Oh! The one behind us is so much better, but you got to watch it on his
No,
video.
show
It's
him.
cool. I'll give him
Show
a
him.
little tease.
Show
You
him.
ready? Here we go. Ho, ho, ho. That's lovely.
And if you think the outside looks bad, well, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Okay, so we have an update. We found a bedpan. We think. Is that?
Looks well used.
Yeah, that's
It's
lovely.
got to be worth the money.
That's
That's got to
see.
be worth a few bucks.
And the old license plate, 2009. You think it would start?
You know what? There's only one way to find out.
Well, you got the key in little pieces. How's that going to
There's
happen?
no gas cap either,
Oh.
which means most likely rain
Yeah.
and stuff has gotten.
I think he really wants this car.
I really do.
He really wants this car.
There's nothing.
Nothing in there?
There's nothing in there.
All right, Randy has promised me a showstopper here. And I've lost the windscreen on my microphone, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Anyway, he said he's found a car. The car that I really need. It is, look at that old Mercedes. Oh, you're looking, oh! See, my eyes, let me cover this one up. My eyes go to the big white Mercedes. But Randy wants me to look at, ta-da!
How about that? That's a rare car right
I
there.
love this. Wow.
to be sitting out here.
And it's a 90, what did you say?
93, 1 year before they discontinued them.
Oh my gosh.
40,000 miles, 43,000 miles.
Oh,
Already
this
ran
is
the-
bad. This is bad. This is terrible. You know what though? I don't like the green, do you?
What?
The
That's
green?
like British racing green.
I know,
man.
but this is Italian.
Well, that's
It's supposed to
okay.
be red. But look at that.
I think it came green.
I think so too.
I kind of like the green.
Okay.
I do. I kinda
I'm not
like the
hating
green.
on it, but it's just, yeah, I think it was
But
green.
I like red better. I mean,
Yeah.
if you can't tell by my cars, I really do like red.
Look at this.
He fits.
Wow.
This is a pedal car, which means someone sold this as junk.
Really?
Someone sold this as junk.
Okay, we have a problem already.
Uh-oh.
You can't get your foot. Look, that's the gas pedal.
Oh.
That's your brake. That's your.
How do you
You
like
got to
that
have
shifter
skinny
over
feet.
there?
Wait, let me take this off. You got to have skinny feet. See, to push the gas. You're gonna do the same thing. That's weird. Okay.
How about that shifter, though?
That's kind of cool. This is kind of cool.
That would take some getting used to.
The position is weird.
There's paperwork in the glove box. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Insurance, no? No, just books. Just books.
Look at how cool this is, though. Here, your radio thing came off. Wow. You just need to sit there. Sit right there. Stay. Nope. Okay, we'll put you in the.
Italian build quality.
Look at
Oh, no,
that.
aftermarket.
Yeah, aftermarket
Pioneer.
Pioneer. Look at this.
Judging from the mildew or the mold in the roof, I'm going to say this thing sat somewhere for a long time.
Yeah. But look at the die. Look at this. This is different than what I thought, because they used to have two, two big.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But now it's just one giant one.
140 on the dash.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you got to sit in here and. What's all this?
That's...
Oh, it must have been. Oh,
I don't
there's a
know.
cover. See how that door's got a speaker cover?
Oh, okay.
Oh. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
See, there's.
66 to 90, they covered all of them.
Wow.
Look at the air conditioner vents in the center of the dash.
Oh, this is cool. Right here?
Up
Yeah.
top.
Oh. Ah! That is cool.
Wow.
And you even get. I'm surprised these are still here.
Hey, she's got power.
Look at this. You get. I got to back it up.
Oh. Badges.
And they're not even broken. They were right here in the seat. And the seat is comfortable. Okay, I got to get out because you got to sit in here.
I think I like the back end. It's so... It reminds me of an old Subaru. I can't remember the name of the
Yes,
Subaru, but
yes.
it was a weird Subaru
Yep.
back in the day, and I loved them.
Yeah. Yeah. How do you do the trunk? Oh. Holy moly, he had to start it. Let me put this back in the thing. Wow. You sit more to the front of the car than you do the back. It's
Yeah,
it's different.
it's got a long back end.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Look at the wheels. Look at how cool this is. Look at that. Oh. Engine's a little shaky, and there's a air leak somewhere, it sounds like. Busted hose. But look at this. Oh gosh. He's gonna get me in trouble with this. No way. That's like, Guitar Hero. Jeez.
Don't fear the Reaper when you let it drive itself.
Wow.
I don't know what that means exactly. Should I worry about the brakes?
Yeah.
No, I won't. The car will do that.
The car did that by itself?
Yeah, and it'll continue on its own.
more cowbell, baby.
Gotta have more cowbell.
Guess what? I got a fever.
And it's accelerating by itself?
Yeah, that's all the car.
Wow. That is crazy. And that, my friends, is the ending of another video. I want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Randy. Because of him, I am up 200 subscribers, at least, after his first walk around video. Since I have some extra time off now, I got to go down and do walk around videos with him. Check out his channel, if by chance you haven't heard of him. But who hasn't heard of him? He's got 320,000 subscribers. So everybody knows Randy. And he is a great guy. He's a great friend. And so I do want to say thank you to that. He actually let me go out to the new house, which is gorgeous. In fact, it was so nice and it was dark, so I didn't really film it. So he has some pictures on his Facebook page. It's going to be perfect for him. It really is. He did a good job when he found that house. Lots of land. He can add the shop. He can do this. He can do that. And he's going to be perfectly happy out there in a house that he owns, which is perfect. Okay? As for me, I've got a couple of comments. Mike, you're looking a little ragged. What's going on with you? Well, I'm kind of worried. Not about what you might think, but the car right here. Turning. Remember that? Yeah. Well, she has a little issue, okay? And she's starting to spit some oil out of the tailpipe, which is not good for those cars. So there's actually a trail of oil spitting out the back leading up to my driveway. And if it's still there, I'll show you that. As I'm talking about this, I will show you that. But that's what I'm kind of worried about, because that's one of my all-time favorite cars. And I would hate for something serious to be wrong with that car. So we'll see. We got our fingers crossed to make sure that she stays safe and sound and drivable. But other than that, another video. There we go, folks. Thanks for watching. For all the new subscribers, we're going to start kicking these videos out at least every other day. Hopefully, maybe even every day. We'll see what happens. But I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun making these videos and hearing from people all over the world. Hey, once again, if you want one of those Monkey Wrench Mike stickers, yep, there you go. Cash at me. $3, Ben's Guy 99, and I will send one to you wherever you may live. I have sent them to Greece, to Saudi Arabia, to Ireland, to England, to Italy. I've sent some to Australia. I have sent some to all over the world. I can't think of some of the other countries. And of course, lots of them, even to some right here in T-Town, Oklahoma. All right? But if you want one, get your order in, and I'll get it out as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching, folks. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you again on the flip side. Hug those kids if you got them, folks. Bye.